Hey friends, hi. So today I'm going to show you how do we actually connect to Amazon EC2 instance using the key pair, which is almost always a trouble for every beginner who start using the Amazon and wants to log into EC2 instance using Putty. So let's launch a new instance in Amazon, and then we will need to select free tier for now so that we have a free machine available. I'll spin up this Ubuntu server for now. Free tier, make sure you are selecting the free tier, otherwise you might be charged by Amazon and that could be a heavy uh, charges, right? So I'm not going to touch anything else. I'm just going to review and launch this instance quickly. So let's create a new pair and give it a name. I'll give it a name, holder 2 key. I'm downloading this key pair and I'll launch an instance. So meanwhile, our instance will get launched. Meanwhile, we will get back to our key. We by default get this .pem file. We need to convert that PEM file into PPK format so that we can use it using the Putty. So you need to have Putty software installed on your computer. So I'm going to select run Putty Gen and I'm going to load the file that I downloaded. You need to select all files here and select the PEM file that we just downloaded. And we need to save this. We just don't need to do anything else. We just need to save this as a private key. You can even give a passphrase so that you have more security for your EC2 instance. Right now, I'm not going to give it. I'm just selecting yes, and I'll save the file with .ppk extension. Just remove it, save it. Right? We now have this ppk file. Let's go back to our instance. We should have our instance running. I'll give it the name test, or let's give it a name test. Save it. Click on this. We have the public IP address here available. So let's get back to the Putty again. Use that public address, and under authentication in Putty, just select the ppk file that we just created using PuttyGen software. Open it. See here, the port is 22 by default. Open. We get this message saying the security alert. We just have to accept this, and the default username for the any Ubuntu machine on EC2 is Ubuntu. So I'm going to give it as Ubuntu and hit enter. We should get into the system, right? So that's it. I think it was a trouble for me as well initially to get this converted into PPK, but then I got a practice and learned about it. So hope this will help you guys access the EC2 instances in Amazon. Thank you so much, guys.